Hey everyone! If Gears of War Reloaded is crashing, not opening, or failing to launch on Steam or PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through several fixes that should get the game running again. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library and locate Gears of War Reloaded. Right-click the game and select Properties. On the left, click Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and automatically repair them. Solution 2. Right-click Gears of War Reloaded in your Steam library and select Properties. Click Installed Files and then browse Local Files. Open the binaries x64. Find gaud.exe, right-click it, and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as administrator. Also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply and then OK. Launch the game again. This ensures the game has the proper permissions to run and prevents full screen conflicts. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it and expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to update your graphics card to the latest version. Outdated drivers are one of the most common causes of launch and crash issues. Solution 4. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open it and go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for Updates. If an update is available, install the latest drivers. Keeping your GPU drivers up to date helps prevent DirectX and stability issues. Solution 5. Right-click Gears of War Reloaded in Steam and select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click Browse Local Files. Find the file install-easy-anti-cheat.bat. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Easy Anti-Cheat must be installed correctly for the game to launch. Solution 6. Right-click Gears of War Reloaded in Steam and select Properties. Under the General tab, find Launch Options. Type -DX11 to force DirectX 11. If that doesn't work, try -DX12 to use DirectX 12. If neither works, clear the Launch Options box. Some PCs run better on DirectX 11, especially older GPUs, while DirectX 12 is recommended for modern systems. Solution 7. In Steam, click the top left Steam menu and select Go Offline. Now open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Network and Internet, then go to Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your network adapter and select Disable. Launch the game while offline. Once it's running, re-enable your network adapter. Go back to Steam and select Go Online. This method bypasses potential online connection conflicts during startup. Solution 8. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and download VC Redist x86 and VC Redist x64. Locate the downloaded files. First, double-click VC Redist x64.exe. Click Yes. Accept the terms. Wait for the installation. Click Close. Don't restart yet. Now, double-click VC Redist x86.exe. Click Yes. Accept the terms. Wait for the installation. Click Close. Restart your PC. Installing or repairing Visual C++ redistributables ensures all required runtime libraries are present. And that's it. One of these solutions should fix Gears of War Reloaded not launching or crashing on Steam and PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.